Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to disable notification on MEXC application. First of all, open up the MEXC app on your mobile device and log in. Once logged in, go to the upper left corner and tap on the human icon. Now on this page, scroll down and tap on notification settings. Tap on notification setting once again in the next page and then tap on permissions. This will take you to your device's notification tab. Click on notification once again and toggle off the button right next to allow notification. This will disable the notification setting and the pop-up you may receive from the MEXC application. Your phone will no longer receive alerts from the app unless you turn them back on. If you want to turn on notification again, tap on this toggle button right next to allow notification and your MEXC app will start giving you notification alerts again. So there you have it. That's how you easily disable notification alerts on MEXC application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.